You've got a growing collection of like grandma cardigans, and I've been meaning to talk to you about it. Like, it's cray.
It's cray.
Yeah. It's like you're basically a walking Ann Taylor ad. It's crazy.
Wow. It's lucky you're beautiful because there's nothing up here.
What? That's me.
All right, real quick before we start, I'm giving away my personal 4K sharpened cinematic color correction in this video, completely free. And if you need any of the software or plugins I'm using, just DM me on Instagram. The link's in the description. Now, if you make 30 to 60-second character edits, you've probably seen this happen. The clip looks sharp while you're editing, but after export, it feels soft, kind of blurry. That's what we're fixing today. I'm gonna show you step-by-step how to take a 720p or 1080p RE scene and turn it into clean 8K archive quality footage. No fake oversharpening, no weird AI artifacts, just clean detail. I'll be using Topaz and After Effects, and you can copy the exact same settings I use. There won't be extra talking, just the full workflow on screen. Pause when you need to. Apply the same settings. Simple. At the end, I'll show a proper before and after comparison so you can really see the difference. If you're serious about leveling up your edits, watch till the end.